Cyber Threats, a comprehensive guide. In today's digital world, our gadgets are more than just tools. They're lifelines to work, entertainment, and personal connections. However, this interconnectedness makes them prime targets for cyber threats. If you're wondering how to protect your devices from cybercriminals, this guide will equip you with actionable steps to secure your gadgets and data. 1. Understand common cyber threats. Before diving into protection strategies, it's essential to recognize the types of cyber threats that could target your gadgets. Phishing attacks. Deceptive emails or messages designed to steal sensitive information. Malware. Harmful software like viruses, ransomware, or spyware. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Hackers intercept your data during transmission. Unsecured Wi-Fi networks. These can expose your device to unauthorized access. 2. Update your software regularly. Outdated software often has vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Keep your operating system, apps, and antivirus programs updated to patch security flaws. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure you're always protected. 3. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. A weak password is an open invitation for hackers. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong password. Avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or names. Enable 2FA on all your accounts for an extra layer of security. This requires you to verify your identity using a secondary method like a text message or authentication app. 4. Install reliable antivirus software. Antivirus software is your first line of defense against malware. Choose a reputable program that offers real-time scanning, malware detection, and firewall protection. Many antivirus programs also include parental controls and secure browsing options. 5. Be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are notorious for being unsecured. Avoid accessing sensitive information like online banking when connected to public Wi-Fi. If you must use it, invest in a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your data and protect your online activities. 6. Secure your home network. Your home Wi-Fi network should be just as secure as your devices. Change the default password on your router and use a strong, unique one. Enable WPA3 encryption if your router supports it. 7. Limit app permissions. Apps often request permissions that aren't necessary for their functionality. Review the permissions granted to your apps and revoke access to sensitive data, such as your location or contacts, if it's not required. 8. Be vigilant against phishing attempts. Think twice before clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. Cybercriminals often disguise malicious content as legitimate emails or messages. Verify the sender's identity before taking any action. 9. Back up your data. Regularly back up your data to an external hard drive or a secure cloud storage service. In case of a ransomware attack or data breach, you can restore your information without paying a ransom. 10. Educate yourself and your family. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Educate yourself and your family members about online safety practices. Teach children about the importance of not sharing personal information online and recognizing potential threats. Conclusion. Protecting your gadgets from cyber threats is not just a one-time task, it's an ongoing commitment. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. Stay informed, stay cautious, and prioritize your digital security to safeguard your gadgets and personal data.